Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting every strap and ratchet. This is non-negotiable because a damaged strap fails. Next, pick anchor points rated equal to or above the cargo weight and visualize strap paths that avoid sharp edges. Once done, lay straps flat to prevent twists and position ratchets within reach but out of pinch zones. You should aim for balanced anchor spacing. This reduces side-to-side movement and makes the next steps faster and safer. Now feed each strap through the ratchet correctly and pull hand tight to remove slack before you crank. This avoids overworking the mechanism. Place opposing straps to prevent tipping, one forward, one rearward for each heavy item, and cross straps when possible to limit lateral shift. Use edge protectors over sharp corners and tighten progressively. Alternate between straps to equalize tension. Make sure you hear firm clicks and that the cargo settles. This is how you know the finish by locking ratchets fully and stowing excess webbing so it cannot catch on roadside hazards. Once loaded, drive a short test loop and recheck tension. Straps relax and need retorquing after roughly 10 to 20 miles, so make that a habit. If you detect any movement or hear creaks, stop and correct. The fix is to redistribute weight or add more anchor points. If a strap shows severe wear or loosens repeatedly, replace it before continuing. That's your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.